Colin, and you'll be joining myself and my wife Carol out trying to look for wildlife around the Tiverton area. Mainly we're after buzzards, and also, if we're very lucky, we might even find kingfishers amongst others. Well, I've come out today just to see if we can get some pictures of birds. Where we've come, we're told we should get some buzzards here. And we saw some when we were here the other day, so I thought, well, let's go back and see if they'll come out and play. Well, I thought I'd better bring the old girl out with me today and put a card in her camera for a change. We're trying to get some buzzards, a bit of buzzard hunting.
I've seen one, but I scared it off.
Yeah, right. These are the settings I used for this photo. As we're after buzzards, I thought I'd better bring the big beast out today. It's the R3, and that's a Sigma 60 to 600 Sport lens. Now all we need is the birds to show up. He was hiding in a tree behind some twigs, but he's decided to fly and managed to get this one. Which I'll put up at the end of the video. I think it's about 6 different species we've seen, and I can't call them off the top of my head because I'm an idiot. So what I'll do is I'll put them up at the end of the video, and with the names on them and the camera settings and all that, so you can see exactly what we've achieved here this morning. I'm going home for a cup of coffee now. Moved on to the canal to try and get some photos of kingfishers today. We'll have to see what happens. Well, this is day 2. Come to the canal now to see if we can find some kingfishers. 2 days ago we saw one. He was swimming and diving right in front of us. I only had a small lens. Today I got a bigger lens. And guess what? He ain't here yet. Right, this is where we are this time. And in that insignificant tree in front of me is normally where the kingfisher feeds from and drops down in the water right in front of us. But as I just said, he decided not to turn up today. 60 to 600 Sigma Sport lens to try and get a kingfisher. Well, I think I've got more chance of becoming poked than that happening, but there you go. Look what I've seen. Goal achieved. Kingfishers taken photos of. Over 600 shots, and I'm going to take me time to go through them. Couldn't get them on video because it's too quick, which was having them feeding and diving into the canal and coming out again. But there you go, you can't have everything. So I put some shots up at the end. And thank you very much for watching, much appreciated. And I'll catch you on the next video.